In this video, I want to show you about our new observability and monitoring capabilities and how you can link your third-party observability tool to Lobster, or vice versa, how you can enable Lobster to be visible in your third-party monitoring tool like New Relic or Datadog. To make that happen, we have a new menu item in administration. It's called monitoring. And here you can see how easy it is to configure that. So the only thing you have to do is hit the plus button, or in my case, edit what I already had, and then give a configuration a name and choose a monitoring standard. We support OTLP, Prometheus, and Datadog at the moment. So we have coverage of nearly any enterprise tool out in the market. And the only thing is choose your preferred standard. So in my case, I choose OTLP because I want to use that with New Relic. Fill out the necessary endpoint and the API key I got from New Relic. And if needed, I can also adjust some exportal intervals and connection timeouts, but this is just optional in my case. Then I hit the apply button, and that's it from the Lobster Data Platform side, because now we are sending all the telemetry data and all the application performance data we are provided at the moment through your third-party telemetry or monitoring system. In my case, in this demo, that's New Relic. And if I then switch to New Relic, you can see I have this beautiful dashboard here, where give me a lot of insights about my Lobster Data Platform. We will also provide with this release some predefined dashboards for the common monitoring tools outside. So it's in our case, New Relic, Prometheus, and Grafana and Datadog. So if you go to the documentation of that feature, you can see some JSON files you can easily use and import as a starting point for you to make it easier. But any of this informations you see here can be adjusted from your side. So we support you with the standard JVM metrics. So anything related to your hardware, to your server, memory usage, CPU usage, and all that stuff, it's already there, and you can define when to raise an alarm or an alert, what kind of levels you want to monitor, what kinds of escalations you want to have. This is totally on you, on your monitoring tool. But in addition to that, we also provide you application performance metrics about, for instance, the job queue healthy, or the active jobs versus the jobs in the queue, or the job processing statistics of your profiles. And this is really helpful to see, okay, is there any bottleneck, right? Is there any profile from a customer, for instance, where turn your system down constantly or cost you a lot of money because it costs you a lot of performance. As I said, this is standard provided by us. You can easily modify whatever you want. So for instance, you can go here, in my case in New Relic, edit it. You see the SQL here, or exactly the query here I do. And you can add more fields, you can modify the query, whatever you want. You can see in our documentation exactly what kind of data points we provide. There's a ton of them and a list of them with the reference. But I will recommend, if you're interested in this feature, make the update and use our starter template as I described here. Okay, and that's it for now. Happy to use and happy to get your feedback.